Hello, everyone. Today, we will discuss Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed AI service that allows developers to build generative AI applications using foundation models without managing model infrastructure. It provides access to foundation models through a single unified API, handles all scaling automatically, and integrates with AWS services such as security, monitoring, and storage. Now let's look at foundation models in Bedrock. Bedrock provides access to multiple foundation models, including Anthropic Claude, AI-21 Labs, Stability AI, and Amazon Titan. These models support different tasks such as text generation, summarization, embeddings for semantic search, and image generation. Developers can choose a model based on the task. Anthropic Claude is used for reasoning and long context tasks. Amazon Titan provides embeddings. Stability AI handles image generation, and AI-21 Labs focuses on text generation. Switching models only requires changing the model ID. Next, let's understand the Bedrock architecture. Applications interact with Bedrock through APIs. Prompts are sent to foundation models and responses are returned. The Bedrock runtime handles model routing, scaling, and inference. All requests are authenticated using AWS IAM, logged for monitoring, and can be routed through VPC endpoints for private access. Now let's see how to call Bedrock from an application. Applications use AWS SDKs such as Python, JavaScript, or Java, or REST APIs. The invoke_model call sends a JSON request with a model ID and prompt and returns a JSON response. It supports streaming responses and works with AWS Lambda for serverless execution. Finally, let's look at common use cases. Bedrock is used for AI chat systems, enterprise knowledge search, content generation, and AI-powered automation. It also supports RAG-based document question answering systems. In summary, Amazon Bedrock enables developers to build and scale AI applications using foundation models without managing infrastructure. Thank you.